Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Today I will get you on how to upgrading the MariaDB database server from the all stable release to the latest stable release version. For example, I will upgrading from MariaDB 10.4 to the 10.5, and I will stick on Debian 10 codename Buster. Uh, this uh, this get or tutorial actually can be applied both on Debian or Ubuntu LTS server, including Debian 9 codename Street, or maybe Debian 10 Buster, and also Ubuntu 16.40 LTS, then 18.0 LTS, and 20.0 LTS. This shall be done maybe under 10 minutes. Okay, I will create the droplet. Let's create droplet. I will stick on Singapore data center. Sign my set is targeted on local visitor or Asia Pacific. You can select another data center region as you want. Then let's create droplet. For upgrading process, this shall be done on step by step or one by one basis. So you cannot upgrade directly from, for example, from MariaDB 10.1 to 10.5. So upgrading shall be done from MariaDB, for example, for MariaDB 10.1, then 10.2, 10.3, 10.4, and then the last 10.5. So you you will find problem if you upgrading from MariaDB 10.1 to the 10.5. Maybe your database server cannot working properly, or maybe cannot work anymore. Okay, let's log into Gnome terminal. Start root p 22 press yes, then paste the password. Okay, and this is newly created server or VPS or virtual machine, run the system update, then to get any security update including security bug fix or security bug fix and OS maintenance or maybe kernel update. After that, you can open the MariaDB official MariaDB set, MariaDB repository, and then simply select Debian 10 cluster for repository, then all stable 10.4. I will select the mirror download on National University of Singapore. National University of Singapore. Then first of all, let's install app software property common. After that, simply adding MariaDB signing key to your system, then adding the MariaDB 10.5 10.4 repository. After that, let's update the system once again, then let's install MariaDB server, also MySQL tuner if you want to doing analysis on your MariaDB server, or maybe check logging or and can be utilities to tweaking or tuning performance for your both MySQL or MariaDB database server. Then press Y. After that, we can verify the MariaDB installed. The installed version is 10.4.18 using Redline 5.2. Then let's securing your database server using the MySQL server installation command. MySQL secure installation command. Then simply press enter, then switch to Unix socket authentication, press no, change the root password, yes, then you can set the correct root password like this, then remove anonymous user, solo login remotely, yes, and remove test database and access to it, and reload develop table. Then let's verify. From this step, we can continue to the next step for upgrading to the latest stable release. But before doing that, make sure to remove the current MariaDB installer using the following command, as you can see on the screen. Then press Y. Then run apt auto remove, then run apt auto clean, After that, you can adding the repository of MariaDB 10.5. Good, like this. Then run system update once again. Then let's install MariaDB 10.5 database server. Press Y. Okay, from this step we have MariaDB 10.5 installed on your system. We can verify the MariaDB version using MySQL v command. Distrib 10.5.9 MariaDB for Debian Linux GNU using Redline 10.5.2. Make sure to securing your database server MySQL secure installation. Current password for root. Simply press enter. Switch to Unix socket authentication. Press no. Change the root password. Yeah. And then input your MariaDB or MySQL root password. And make sure you separated the database password with your VPS or root server root password, so you will have different root password, one for database server and the rest for your VPS. Then install root login remotely, yes. Remove the database access to it, yes. Lewat virtual tabel, press Y. Okay, let's verify. We can run MySQL root p. Then enter the password. That it's okay. From this step, we have actually successfully in upgrading the MariaDB database server from the old stable 10.4 to the latest stable release 10.5. Okay, thank you and see you next time and good night.